Assalamu alaikum. I'm Dr. Muhammad Salim, consultant pulmonologist. As you know that we were discussing the April 2015 FCPS Pulmonology paper. So the next question is on your screen now. A patient was diagnosed multi-drug resistant tuberculosis and was put on pyrazinamide, kanamycin, levofloxacin, ethionamide and cycloserine, and remained sputum smear positive at the end of 8 months of treatment. Drug sensitivity test shows resistance to rifampicin, isoniazid, pyrazinamide, streptomycin, kanamycin and capreomycin with levofloxacin and susceptibility to ethionamide. What is the diagnosis is part A. Part B is what are the principles of treatment, and part C is what is the role of surgery. So as you know that in addition to multi-drug resistant means resistance to isoniazid and rifampicin, if you have quinolones resistance as well as injectable drugs resistance, then it is called extensively drug resistant TB. So the part A will be extensively drug resistance of tuberculosis. Part B would be what are the principles of treatment. The principles of treatment, you have to at least select at least 4 drugs which are very effective for the available regime. It means you have to select from bedaquiline, dilaminid, linezolid, cycloserine, clofazimine, ethionamide and pyrazinamide. You have to select at least 4 effective drugs, and based upon the drug sensitivity test. As you know that the drug sensitivity test has been given in the question, so you have to select at least 4 effective drugs. The next point will be previous drug exposure. If anyone has been exposed to the previous regime, so you don't need to add that drug because it will not be effective. So the first point will be drug susceptibility testing, previous drug exposure and time when previous treatment failed. Okay, you have to write like this, and depending upon the culture conversion, bedaquiline and dilaminid can be continued for at least 12 months if there is need, and 3 consecutive cultures are not available. If 3 consecutive negative cultures are not available, then you have to continue it for 12 months. Okay, the initial phase of 6 months may be extended to 8 months and total to 20 months. It means you have to extend the initial phase to 8 months and total 20 months if a slow clinical response to treatment, or there is extensive cavitation in the x-rays, in the radiology and bilateral pulmonary disease, or there is delayed culture conversion, or fluoroquinone susceptibility is not confirmed on the probe assay. Part C will be surgical resection with lobectomy or wedge resection if the pulmonary disease is localized or there are large number of drug resistance. I hope you understand the question, and please comment me in the comment box if you did not understand anything in this question. Thank you so much.
For more solved cases, get this book in nominal price from local medical bookshop or online nationally and internationally from links below.